Hey guys, it's Yazmin and I'm in Myrtle Beach right now, and today was day one. So the first thing I'm going to start off this video saying is that I cut my finger on a shell. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bleeding really bad. Here's a picture. Well, yesterday when we got here at like 6 o'clock. We went to the beach and we found a baby shark. I didn't get a picture of it because I didn't have my phone. But today we woke up at like 7:45 and we went to the flea market and I got my sister some stuff. And then I got a waterproof case, so I have some underwater video.
You and I.
Then we went out to eat to a Mexican buffet, and then we went to the beach and we walked around. That's where I got my finger on a shell. I have some photos I took of Sam.
So kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, and tell me I'll see you again.
And then we went to the pool. And then after that we went to this place called Tony's, and it sells like pizza and Italian foods and Greek foods. And then we went to this trinket shop. I don't think I have anything from there. And then we went to this surf shop and I got some stuff. And then we went to the beach, which here's some unseen footage.
Fireworks! And it's really nice. But we're still going on the beach.
Okay, that concludes day one. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Sexy makes a chick step body. Sexy makes a chick step body. Sexy. Makes a chick step body. Sexy.